Hello my dear YouTube friends, and welcome back to another one of my Chinese scooter videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put this cover back again into your moped the right way. If you guys want to see the video where I changed the CVT Variator and show you guys how to change the belt, I'm going to leave that video on the description so you guys can go check it out. Also guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Just smash that button right now if you haven't already, because this video will help you guys out how to fix your moped, and by hitting like and subscribe, that will help me out as well. Without any further ado, let's install this CVT cover right now. Okay guys, so first thing that I want you to do is to clean this cover. Just use some brake cleaner and make sure that all this dirt it's gone. I'm just gonna set this here. You can use some brake cleaner and you will just spray it's super simple. You guys can also grab a brush like this one and make sure that you can clean all the hard oil and the hard dirt that's been there for a few years. It will help out loosen it up. Let me show you here. We have a few parts. We have this gear with the spring, this O-ring, and we have this other gear. So if you guys should clean it up as well. Okay, this gear is the gear that pushes this part. When you press on the kickstart, this will engage the gear like that and start moving the engine. Okay, so you guys will put this here. You guys want to lube it up. Again, grab your grease and make sure to put some grease. Okay, this will go like this. Okay, easy. All right, now these guys, for this gear, let's spray a little more. Make sure it's super clean. Okay. Okay, my friends, you want to make sure that this spring, it's here, it's clear from the top of this, otherwise this will not sit flush. Okay, like this. You want to raise it up and then you guys will let's see, this you guys will try to make sure that you have to get it in there so that this stays flat. Let me show you guys what I mean, like this, see, and then this part will, you have enough space to install your snap ring and your washer. So that's why you have to make sure that it's flat. It's not the easiest, but let's see, we should be able to get it. We might have to twist a little bit this metal spring. We have to open it a little more. Okay guys, I was able to get this all the way in by bending that part of the wire of the spring. And now next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install that washer and the snap ring right now. Okay my friends, once you install the snap ring, make sure to put this gear back. Okay, make sure that it's clean. Okay, and then this you will install it by let's see if you guys can see how I do it. All right guys, you have to play a little bit with your screwdriver and put it in a way so that this compresses this way, and then you can put this gear back into place. All right guys, so now we're ready to install this back into the moped. This gasket, don't worry about this gasket. um, it's just to keep the dust or the dirt out. um, there's no oil inside or any fluid, so don't worry too much about it. And then you guys will put your bolts using your number 8mm socket. Okay, I am missing a couple screws, but I think I was already missing them from before. So now we're gonna install this kickstart, and now it feels much better. And this one by default it goes straight, but I always like to put it just a little bit more up so it's easier for you guys to kickstart it this way. See, like it's flatter. Maybe one less, maybe like that, but you guys don't want it like this because you have less less space to kickstart it. uh, like that. We're just gonna leave it like that, okay? And this is in number 10, so use your number 10 to screw this one in. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to support my channel by hitting the subscribe button and the like button, and I will leave all the links that you guys need for the moped to run like new. Everything's going to be on the description, and all the links for the parts will be there as well. So I hope to see you guys on the next video. See you later.